Hello and welcome back to Veterans Medals Workshop. I think you'll enjoy the show today on the new Remote Combat Effects Campaign Medal, which is retro back to 2001. So let's start the show. Hello and welcome to Veterans Medals Workshop. It's hosted by Medals of America and of course by Medals of America Press. And I'm your host, Frank Foster. And today I'm really excited to talk to you about the United States Air Force newest medal in the Pyramid of Honor. The Remote Combat Effects Campaign Medal. It was established in 2019, but retroactive to 2001, which means there are 8 previous or ongoing campaigns where airmen might be eligible for this medal. And I'll get to those campaigns and the criteria in just a minute, because first I want to talk to you about the medal because it is without a doubt the most handsome medal the United States Air Force has created since the World War II Air Medal. And this handsome medal is a bronze-colored disc. It's about 1.25 inches, bearing a starburst in the far background. And the starburst is behind the gridline spear, which conveys the power and ability to remotely affect the battlefield anywhere in the world. And then there's a delta followed by contrails portraying remotely piloted aircraft and weapon systems. And this is followed with the Hap-Arnold symbol representing the United States Air Force. Hap-Arnold was the commander of the Army Air Force, and the Hap-Arnold symbol is really the World War II Army Air Force shoulder sleeve insignia. You've seen it 1,000 times. Well, it depends on how old you are. If you're my age, you've seen it 2,000 times. Okay. The medal is extraordinarily handsome, and it does a number of things really well. It projects the symbolism of power. It says, I can put a hurt on you anywhere in the world, anytime I want to, without you ever knowing where I'm coming from. And oh, by the way, I've been doing it for 75 years better than anybody else in the world. So, incredible medal, great symbolism. Hats off to the Institute of Heraldry for doing such a first-class job. So if the front of the medal is filled with powerful symbolism, the back of the medal is pretty straightforward. It says Remote Combat Effects Campaign, and then below that the United States Air Force, and it has combat effects support, and the Hap-Arnold symbol and a couple of delta wings over on the side. Pretty straightforward, and let you know exactly what this campaign medal was awarded for. The ribbon itself, mainly blue with a light blue center, 2 narrow white stripes, dark blue, light blue, white. United States Air Force colors, couldn't do any better. Really, great piece of work. Normally I bitch, moan, whine, and snivel when a new medal comes along because I have to change the book and we don't need any more medals. In this case, the Air Force got it right. It's a great medal for a great group of airmen doing an incredible job all over the world, day and night. Okay, let's go take a look at the criteria and those past campaigns. And what I'd like to talk to you about is who gets this medal. Well, the medal was approved by the Chief of Staff and the Secretary of the Air Force to recognize Air Force personnel in non-deployed status who directly participated in combat operations from a remote location. You know, basically what I'm talking about here is those serving piloting remotely piloted aircraft, cyberspace, intel, surveillance, reconnaissance, those airmen who create direct combat effects and deliver a lethal force on the battlefield are eligible for this medal, going all the way back to 2001, especially if they participated in the campaign Enduring Freedom, which went 2001-2014, Iraqi Freedom 2003 to 2010, Nomad Shadow 2007. That one may still be running. Nobody's told me different yet. New Dawn 2010, 2011, Inherent Resolve 2014, 2016. They kind of got that cleaned up over there. That was well done. Freedom Sentinel, 2015. I think that one's still running also. Odyssey Lightning started in 2016. And Operation Pacific Eagle, 2017. at a date to be determined. Now, you only get one medal. So if you served in 2, 3, or 4 of those campaigns, what you get is a campaign star on your ribbon or your medal to indicate additional service. There is a catch-22. Wouldn't be the Air Force if there wasn't a catch-22, and that is if you have received a Department of Defense or United States Air Force campaign or expeditionary medal for one of those campaigns, you're ineligible for this one. Hey, hope you've enjoyed this. Look forward to seeing you next time. And if you did enjoy it, give us a like and even better, subscribe. Thank you. Also, special thanks to Medals of America for providing all of the medals and ribbons in these displays. And by the way, every Air Force medal since 1914 and ribbon is in this new book, Medals and Ribbons of the United States Air Force. Every medal except the one that we just showed you.